Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn off share your status on Viber. Are you online or not? So just go to Viber and here you choose settings, and in the settings you go to privacy, and here you will find first option share online status. You can change this setting once every 24 hours, so you can only change it one time for 24 hours. So if you click here, now user will see if you are online or not. So just if you want to turn off this function, you just need to click here, so you can see that we only can change it in another 24 hours in another day. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.